Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how we make chicken soup in the village, African style. I have finished removing the feathers from the chicken. Now it's ready to roast. I'm going to roast it from this stove, charcoal stove. So you have to put the net up, but me, I don't have a net right now. So I will improvise with these banana peelings. So I put them here. Banana peelings. And then bring our chicken, put it there. Can you see our chicken, huh? How it looks like. Take a go. Take a go no bunzali. Finish cutting the veggies. These are carrots, tomatoes, and sweet pepper, green pepper. And I've already finished putting onions and garlic. So this is my recipe. This is how I cook my chicken stew, like this in Africa. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about the video. Subscribe, like, and share. African Jojo here. We are cooking. We are in the kitchen. Fresh chicken. So now this is how it looks like after putting in tomatoes and onions. I'm still letting them to cook. You can see. So let me just put the spices inside. The spices, I have mixed them in water. I have used black pepper, Simba curry powder, the spice. I have used this chicken masala Simba mbali. I have used this smoky for barbecue. This is how it looks like. And then curry powder. And then the black pepper is here, but I have used that one. So let's see how it goes. So I'm cooking the last meal for my son and the friends here. I'm at my sister's house. Yeah, they are going back to school, the kids, so they are making for them food. So later I'm going to put now the green peppers. For me, I put them at last because I don't like them to cook like to be sauce, like to cook so well. I like them half cooked. To maintain the taste. And the aroma. So let's wait and we see. I have put the salt already at first when I was boiling in the chicken. Yes. So now at this time I'm going to put water. I already have my water here, fresh water. That is it, ready to eat, guys. Let's enjoy. Come and we have lunch. So guys, here I was already at school. It's time for going back to school. I had to register my son. He's in the boarding section. So we reached at school. We had to register him, put there everything. So he left me. Yeah, we are there waiting for our time to call us. He's there. It's like, I told him to say bye-bye to my people. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Love you.